Hi, I'm Liam. I've been an IELTS teacher for about 15 years now. The environment in our classroom in general is hardworking, but we also try to have some fun. There's no reason why we can't learn a lot and also enjoy ourselves at the same time. Other than that, try to get very communicative activities and environment where people can work on and improve their skills, particularly things related to IELTS, of course. I guess the teaching method within my classes is communicative and collaborative between students. We try to improve skills for IELTS that work and you can adapt to use, because obviously the IELTS test can be quite varied in what they ask. Overall, try to provide you with the skills that you can use no matter what the IELTS test throws at you. I think first to choose a good course and place to study, somewhere that focuses on IELTS, like KTDC. Also, I think be prepared to put in the effort. If you work hard and use your English and practice your English, you can really make significant improvements in a fairly short period of time. I truly believe no matter what you believe your skills are, if you work hard and you can do it, you can achieve whatever results that you do want. Come along and join in IELTS class. Let's work together to achieve the results that you want to get. As I said before, I really believe that if you work hard and we work together, that you can achieve any results and go on to do the things you dream of doing.